Um, Hello everyone, welcome to another study session. Man, there's a couple of assignments due, but the good thing is because they're due soon, or after I finish them, I'll be able to start studying on stuff that I missed back last week. So that's a big benefit. And right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the fundamentals of C classes, and then I'll continue on to the stuff for next week after I wake up. But I'm not going to do quizzes now. I'll do that when I wake up. So, but there are unlimited attempts for the first one, so I can. Actually, all of them have unlimited attempts, so I can give it a shot right now. So let's go. Find some nice instrumental music. Okay, I found a nice one. So we'll start off with this task 10.31. And so I'll quickly have a look at what it requires, what I'm required to do. So I'll quickly go onto my canvas. Wrong canvas. Alright, here we go. Okay, here we go. Quiz 1. And now don't start the quiz, I mean start off with the content. I think last week we did control structures. I think this week will be array and strings. Okay, so we have to learn what array and strings are. So I'll open my Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code. Okay, perfect. Create a new folder here. Now I'm going to call it array and strings. .04. So arrays and strings. And I'll create a new file. Okay, let's see. Arrays.c. Arrays.c. And then I think there's this part where you use like these arrow brackets, and then you do include dot studio. stdioh. Is that it? Let's double check. I'll go to this code. Oh, it's hashtag includes studio h, like so. Okay, and then they have an int main void. Int main void. Then I change my return type to return 0. Bam. And let me double check. Where's that return 0? Okay, yep. We have to return 0, and let's see what the video is saying about the array. Okay. How do I comment again in Visual Studio? Okay, there we go. So // I'll start off with the corner / arrays arrays store continuous store to a fixed number of data elements of the same type. One, two, three. Oh, okay. So this is not too bad. Fixed type of memory, e.g. double X 4 refers to an array element, an array with refers to an array with 4 elements. And then from 0. Okay, here we go. It's actually pretty interesting. Okay, so the applications that are staying are pretty straightforward. Okay, so you can actually define stuff. Define a line, stack, define. Oh, okay, so you can define variables, stack base, define a line. I don't even, so a array length, is that what it means? So array length 5. And then I go here, so to have int a, and they have a len, int a len is one way, and then the next have a for loop. So for, so this would, what this one will do is for okay, no, we have an initial condition which is I equals 0, right? And then from I equals 0 we have if I, okay, I is equal to 0 if I is less than a len. So if I is less than a len, then sum up, then add I by itself. Okay, it's by itself. So this should give us a value of I len of 5. And then if we do print f, and we do here, and I do what's the thing for int, so decimal percent, and then I do slash, and this would be cool. And then on the side I put I, then I put this bracket. What happens when I try to run this code? It does give us 5, 4. Okay, it does not like the space there. 4. Have I defined I? No, I haven't defined I. So I have an int I, and bam. Now it should work. Oh no, I actually didn't draw int 1. I have an int I. See what happens. Oh, okay. No. Int a then. Okay. Oh, okay. They've defined the array, the elements in the array. So that's what we need to do. Okay. Go into A, and then we do these open brackets. We start to fill in these values, and what sort of we use curly braces. I will start off with the value. Since my array size is 5, I have 22, 11, 53, 11, 5. And let's see what happens. What do you mean ALN? Int A. Hashtag define ALN 5. This is where define. So got define int ALN 5. Does that work? I doubt that this is going to have much of an impact. Yep, you got. So it turns out you can put an integer there, or at least the text. And now we'll try. What is this? Why is my array not working? Man, screw the define technique. It's not working for me. I'll try doing this. It doesn't work. Then do my way. Okay, no, never mind. We need to define A, before we call it here. So once it define it here, I believe this code should work. Let's find out. So I move my characters here, and I save, and then I start. Alien plus oh no man, no, but why is it starting with an comma? I don't understand what's going on with this one. So I have 4, which is correct with the other one. I is equal to 0, yes. Semicolon, yes. I is greater than alien, yes. I plus plus a. Okay, yeah. This one is a bit tricky. Alien. Okay, now I think I need to continue this later. I'm actually falling asleep. I'm just gonna take a nap. Hopefully, I don't wake up when it's too late. Okay.